Hello traders, I hope guys you're enjoying profit today. Today was the amazing volatility again at the London morning session, and most of my traders as always bank 100 plus pips. So let me share with you guys how they bank that profit through live intraday analysis. As always mentioned guys, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, that's the interesting part of it. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you how I did this morning. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, guys, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD chart and if you look at the 4 hour, yesterday we had both long, short, and long. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, video link is given in the video description, both in London and New York session previous analysis recording. All right, so this morning, as you can see here, yesterday price nicely hit this profit target. Beautiful, you can see here, and price refused to break above this level. So this morning we have, I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. If the price gonna break this level, then probably gonna be taking a short trade here. If it's long, then taking a long trade here. So we had a news, German Manufacturing PMI and Services PMI. The data was negative. That support we have really enjoyed all this pullback, and as you can see here, price nicely hit to the profit target. And once we bank some profit, I explained my trader, let's enjoy some profit and let's see at the New York session. So let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. If you look at here, we had even at the Asian session I did this analysis, this one, but at the London morning session I just refined this analysis as I explained to my trader. Let's wait for the news, and we already have built our bias. If you look at the bottom, momentum was bearish, so we were expecting this breakout. Price nicely broken, and as soon as the price broken, price hit this level, news release and the data beautiful. As soon as the price hit first and the final target, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit and let's wait for the another correction and then one more pushback, which exactly happened. As you can see here, price develop another correction, and you can see another impulsive. So we had, as soon as the price hit to the major support level in 4 hour, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see here such a nice beautiful short trade on EURUSD. Pound dollar, we had amazing trade guys, beautiful. And if you look at the 4 hour chart, yesterday we had a both short and long. As always, if you look at here, the price nicely respected. We have this early rejection. At the London morning we have this consolidation, but I also did this analysis at the Asian session. So we already had this breakout, and in London morning session price nicely hit and beautiful short trade. As soon as the price hit this level, major support, explain my trader to enjoy some profit. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. Beautiful trade guys this morning. Okay, so you can see here, I already did this analysis at the Asian session based on the 4 hour price action at this level, as you can see here. So we had it, you can see here this rejection, major rejection, and based on that, beautiful breakout. After the breakout, as always, momentum is bearish, pullback, 1 2, beautiful pullback. At the London morning session, price came back here, and then I said to guys, if the price is gonna break this level, then we look for another short trade here, which I did updated that analysis at the London morning session. You can see here, just before London open, 20 minutes before the London open, I said to guys, look for this breakout. If the price gonna break, if the price gonna respect and break this level, then we will consider inverted head and shoulder pattern. If the price gonna break, then short trade or bias was developed based on the momentum, as you can see here. As soon as the price broken, as always, after the breakout, we have another beautiful retest, another pullback, beautiful short trade on pound dollar, amazing profit. Once the target hit, I explained there's a possibility of counter opportunity, which I did another analysis. As you can see here, price develop another inverted head and shoulder pattern nicely. As mentioned on the analysis, look for this breakout. You can see here, price nicely broken, beautiful long trade as a counter. As soon as the price hit this level, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see here we had a both short and counter long trade here. So explain, just enjoy profit. Let's come back to the New York session. All right, so dollar CAD, we had amazing trade guys. If you look at here, yesterday we had such a nice beautiful short trade here. price develop another pattern. Right now you can see here we already had this rejection at the Asian session, so I explained my trader look for this breakout if the price gonna break this level. You can see here that's the level, and the rejection here, that was the beautiful breakout, and we had another pullback at the London morning session. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. That was amazing trade, guys. So you can see here yesterday we had all this short trade here at the Asian session. That's what explained to my trader, look, price develop a false breakout, could not maintain this level, and even after the breakout price retest, that's the sign. Safest way if the price gonna break the previous high, or more safest way is if the price gonna break and retest, which exactly did break and retest. Even London morning session, this one I explained my trader look for this breakout or pull back if you already taken it at the Asian session. So I also updated that analysis in the London morning session. You can see here, just to help my traders to not to miss out, as look for this breakout. So price nicely broken as soon as the price hit to the previous high at the major resistance level in 4 hour. That's what I explained my trader, guys. It's time to enjoy some profit. And let's see at the New York session. You can see, guys, what an amazing trade we had this morning. Most of the traders bank 100+ pips, guys. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time instead of review. That's the interesting part of it. And then you can bank profit in real time. That's the more interesting part of it. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where I coach and train trader with a live market through live intraday analysis, because that's what I believe. You can develop your trading skill with a live market, not with the historical charts, guys. That give you illusion. With the live experience, that give you the confidence, right? And especially with the live audio commentary support and with the live intraday analysis. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train my trader with the live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my team member will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.